Hi there, this is Ray Berman at KFUI Global Radio. This is a couple of 40 volt batteries, actually three of them. And so this is a Black & Decker, a Hart, and these. These are all bad. Okay, I gotta explain things here. So basically, oh, there's a cat on me. This is Bella. She hangs out, and let me go back over here. And so basically with these batteries, this one has bad cells, but the BMS circuit is the sensor that senses the voltage into each cell so that it will not overcharge and cause a fire. So this one has a bad cells, good BMS. This one I've not worked on yet. This is a Hart, and these are like El Cheapo batteries. And this came out of a different system. I don't know if it's from a Lawnmower or what, but it's huge. These are actually now good, but I cannot find a BMS. So what I might do is take like put these in all in series, or these two sets, and then put a sensor circuit on the initial, all the batteries put together, and that would disconnect or disable the charging unit. Otherwise, the better idea is to monitor it on the bench. So while I'm on the bench working in my laboratory, I can actually monitor the charge, which is what I have done with a couple of other batteries. And then I could put it in a lawnmower, and I get maybe 8 to 10 minutes of mowing, which is not bad. Thank you. Where'd the cat go? Thank you for tuning in. Dun 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 dun.